This is a little village with a big monster in it. It's a really tall lady. And little people in there. Church. And a really tiny guy sitting and reading. And little, oops, he died. There. People on the bridge. And some boy with some kind of laundry. Santa. And some boy with this dog. And there. And the topless head off lady. She's headless. And a snowman. And some people over here. And the house right there. Some people. There's some people. Over here. All the people. And I have a stocking. We have this. And we have over here that. And we have this. We also have that. And this. And this. And that. A Christmas tree for this year.